You got me feeling like.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this Pentagon Feeling Like dance workout. If you want more Pentagon, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. We've got a Patreon exclusive workout too, Do or Not and Shine. This workout is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands. They make very affordable alternatives to really high-end perfumes, so think your YSL, Chanel, Gucci, whatever it may be. They start at only $29 per bottle. They all come in this cute little packaging like this. You have the full bottle here. This one is Floral Grapefruit, but there is a huge variety of scents that you guys can choose from. And every single package also comes with a little trial size, so you can actually try out the perfume before committing to the big bottle. What's really unique about Dossier is that they're actually vegan and cruelty-free. They've never been tested on animals, and everything is made in France. So if you want to feel good, smell good, no matter what you're doing, even after one of my high-intensity dance workouts, try out Dossier right now, linked in the bio down below. All right, let's get dancing.
You, 넌 내 심장을 뛰게. I don't want you to know. 듣기 싫은 걸. 너를 올렸던 손 끝이 자꾸 미끄러져. 어딜 바라보는지 궁금해. Yeah. I want you 놓치지 마. And I know ya, 너 원하잖아. Yeah. 닿는 순간 내 touch 날개를 펼쳐. 온몸에 느껴지는 온기를 나눠 beyond a kiss. You got me feeling like. 내뱉는 attitude 잠을 줄 아는 자세 No I love you too 식상한 멘트 왕고 우리가 모르도 매일 하고 싶어 너와는 몰아도 내 갤러리 오직 갈라테야 고독한 눈빛도 어찌 아름다운가 피와 살 느껴버렸다 살며시 허리춤 부여잡아 I want you 위태로워 And I know ya 너 원하잖아 Yeah 닿는 순간 내 touch 다급해진 숨결 이제 숨길 수 없어 내가 이끄는 대로 움직여 You got me feeling like You got it You got it You got me feeling like You got it You got it You got me feeling like Let's touch 깨워 노란 삶 술과 빛으로 잠긴 다음 번쩍이는 꿈의 밤 온몸에 붉은 빛이 돌아 더 짙게 blue love is like a bomb 껌처럼 붙어라 kiss and hug 헛돌지 않아 더 뜨거워지지 내 속 안에 너 나를 세운 눈빛에 너를 가득 담을게 Me and you 꽉 찬 You got me feeling like You got it You got it Yeah You got me feeling like You got it You got it Yeah You got me feeling like You got me feeling like
Awesome job guys, the workout complete. If you want more Pentagon, be sure to check out my Patreon link right here. We have an exclusive video to Do or Not and Shine. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today and I will see you next time.